In this video, I'm going to tell you what is Power BI, what are advantages of using Power BI, and why you should start learning Power BI as a business intelligence tool. What is Power BI? Power BI is a business intelligence tool where you can analyze your data, clean your data, and convert that data into visual format where you can create report and dashboard. So in simple term, we can say Power BI is a business intelligence tool. In other way, we can say Power BI consists of different component: Power Query, Power View, Power Pivot, and Power BI Service. Power Query is used for cleaning the data. When you have null value, blank value in your data set, then you can use Power Query for cleaning those data. Then you can use those data for visualization and creating charts. With the help of Power View, you can create more than 200 different charts in Power BI. With the help of those charts, you can create different report and different dashboard. Power Pivot is used for data modeling. When you have number of different data sets, you can create relationship between them with the help of Power Pivot. If you want to connect different data sources and you want to create a relationship between different data sources, then you should use Power Pivot. After doing all this stuff, that is cleaning the data, modeling the data, and creating different charts and reports and dashboard, if you want to share your data with the people sitting across the globe, then you should use Power BI. There is number of business intelligence tool in the market. Then why one should go for Power BI? I can tell you number of reasons why you should start using Power BI. Number one, search volume on Google. There is one website which is called Google Trend. Google Trends tells you what is the interest over time for searching any keyword in different time intervals. Here is search volume for Power BI in last 5 years. When Power BI was introduced in 2015, then search volume was not so high. But after 5 years, in current time, you can see the search volume is really very high. There has been a drastic increase in interest among users of Power BI. Here I have tried to compare Power BI search volume with some other tool like Tableau. Here you can see blue line is representing Power BI and red line is representing Tableau. Clearly you can see over the period of time Power BI has grown its popularity. At the same time, Tableau is constant. That is, search volume for Tableau in India is constant over period of time. Clearly, this trend line is showing that people in India is searching more for Power BI as compared to Tableau in last few years. Here you can see the trend in Australia. In recent years, Power BI has taken over Tableau in terms of popularity as per Google Trend. Keeping in mind, Tableau has substantial market share and in fact they are the market leader at present. Power BI is ready to take over Tableau in the years. Even in US, Power BI is gaining its popularity every year. Clearly, you can see a decreasing gap between Tabula and Power BI over the period of time. Power BI has maximum number of features. You can create more than 1200 different functions, M functions and DAX functions. You can create approximately more than 280 visuals in Power BI with the help of different charts and infographics. So these features are not available with other tools, and this is where Power BI has advantage as compared to any other tools available in the market today. What I'm trying to tell you is that content quality of visuals and functions in Power BI is more than any other tools available in the market. Power BI is the cheapest tool available in the market as compared to any other business intelligence tool. The cost is somewhere around USD $10 per user per month. And if you are taking this tool in bulk, then your cost can go down further. At the same time, Power BI Desktop is totally free of cost and anyone can start using Power BI Desktop without paying any cost. Power BI has capability of importing data from more than 100 different sources. You can bring data from Excel, SQL, Oracle, or Big Data, or from any external website to Power BI. Just name the data source and you can pull that data from that source. You can pull data from structured, semi-structured, and unstructured dataset. So that is another advantage of using Power BI. So Power BI has great capability in terms of data sourcing. Power BI is highly recommended by big research and consulting firm for business intelligence purpose. So this is another reason why you should opt for Power BI. If you compare all the BI tools available in the market, then Power BI is on top along with Tableau. And since Power BI is a part of Microsoft, so Power BI cannot be seen as just as one tool. It is package of so many tools. Now let us see how Power BI works. Power BI can be divided into two parts, Power BI Desktop and Power BI Service. Power BI Desktop is a developer tool which you can download on your desktop and install it. Power BI Service is an online version where the data is stored on the cloud. You can pull data from different sources like Excel, CSV, SQL, Outlook, PDF, and even through website in Power BI. After pulling the data from different sources, you can clean them, you can create models and relationship out of them, and finally you can create report and dashboard. Once you have created your dashboard and report in Power BI, then you can use your report and dashboard for sharing with different users sitting across the globe. The best part of Power BI is that complete architecture is automated. So once you teach Power BI that pull data from different sources or from these sources and do some sort of editing like removing null value, removing blank cells, and after that once you have created your report and dashboard and then you have shared your report and dashboard with different users across the globe, then whole process or the steps involved in Power BI is fully automated with very less manual work. So that is all from my side. I hope you have learned what is Power BI, why you should go for Power BI, and how Power BI works. Thank you so much for watching this video.